How to cancel subscription on iPhone. In this video, guys, I'm going to be walking you through on how you can cancel subscription on your iPhone. So go ahead and open your app store. When you open your app store, I want you to go to the profile section just showing above your chat screen. So when you click that, click on where it says subscription. When you click on subscription, guys, just wait for it to load. It's loading. So when this is done loading, it's going to show you all your subscriptions. As you can see, guys, this is all the current subscription I'm having on my iPhone. So if I want to go ahead and cancel this, you can go ahead and cancel this here, guys. These are app subscription. So you can go ahead and click here and you can cancel it. You can go ahead and renew. As you can see, this my subscription has expired, but I can go ahead and change the subscription. So this is how you can cancel subscription on your iPhone. Another way you can do this is to head over to your settings. When you open your settings, I want you to look for the search icon. Just search for subscription. Search for subscription. As you can see, guys, this is my subscription linked to my Apple device. Go ahead and click on the subscription, and all your subscription will be shown there, and you can go ahead and cancel it. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like and click on the subscribe button.